Hello everybody, hello. Sorry, just a couple of minutes late today. Not intentionally, trying to follow Ben and be bang on 5 o'clock. I was trying to find my ball. I realised that I'd thrown it away and had to dig deep to find it, but I have it. And you will need a ball today as well for this session. Today we are on day four of our Inspired 5 Live at 5 times tables maths week. Today we are doing the 8 and 9 times tables, and if you are just joining on and you didn't see the post before, you will need a ball or different spherical round object, preferably round, but we are going to be moving the ball around our body, moving over it, doing different exercises. So if you have got a ball, fantastic. If you can grab something similar, I'm going to give you just a minute or so to do so, and then we will get cracking. And have a beautiful day. Hope everyone's well, happy and healthy, and I think we're just about ready to start. So yes, if you've got a ball, fantastic. Okay, we will need that now. Of course, like every day, every video, we are starting our video with a 2 times, 5 times and 10 times warm up. Okay, so this is what you are going to need to do with your ball. You want to find a space in your area that you're in. I'm going to put the ball down, okay, so you can see it. There we go. And this is our 2 times, 5 times and 10 times warm up, okay? And again, I'm going to ask you a question, okay? And again, I'm going to ask you how many of a certain number is in the answer. So for example, in 2 times table, how many 2s in 12? How many 5s are in 35? How many 10s are in 70? And the answer is the amount of touches you are going to do on the ball with the bottom of your feet. Okay, so a touch, okay, just nice, easy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, for example, 7 5s and 35, okay? Really careful, we don't kick the ball, give it a massive boot. I don't want to be responsible for any broken goods. So just a nice, easy tap on the ball, okay? Are we ready? Okay, random questions again, just a quick warm-up, random questions. How many 2s are in 18? How many 2s are in 18? Have a think, do your 2 times table. How many 2s are in 18? Are you ready to give me an answer? 3, 2, 1. Well done, there are 9 2s in 18. We're ready to do 9 taps of the ball then. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. Next question. How many 5s are in 25? How many 5s are in 25? Have a think. 5 times table. How many 5s are in 25? Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Shout me an answer. Well done. There are 5 5s in 25. So we're ready to do 5 taps. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fantastic. Okay, next question. How many 10s are in 110? How many 10s are in 110? Are you ready to give me an answer? Have a think. If there are 10 10s in 100, how many 10s are there in 110? Are you ready? Here we go. Give me an answer. 11. Well done. 11 10s in 110. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Fantastic work, guys. Well done. Next question. How many 2s? How many 2s are in 12? How many 2s are in 12? Have a think. Put it in your brain. Are you ready to give me an answer? How many 2s are in 12? Well done. There are 6 2s in 12. So we're going to go for 6. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fantastic work. Well done. Next question. How many 5s? How many 5s are in 45? How many 5s are in 45? Have a think. How many 5s are in 45? Remember, if there's 10 5s in 50, how many 5s in 45? Are you ready to give me an answer? 3, 2, 1. Well done. There are 9 5s in 45. So we're ready to do 9. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How quickly can you do them? Fantastic work. Next question. How many 10s are in 60? How many 10s are in 60? 10 times table. How many 10s are in 60? Are you ready to give me an answer? 3, 2, 1. Shout it out. Well done. There are 6 10s in 60. So we're going to do 6 taps. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fantastic work, guys. Another round of questions. One more round of questions. How many 2s? How many 2s are in 24? How many 2s in 24? How many 2s in 24? Are you ready to give me an answer? If there's 10 2s in 20, how many 2s in 24? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Well done. There are 12 2s in 24. So we're going to do 12 taps. Are we ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well done. 5s. Last 5s question. How many 5s? How many 5s are in 20? How many 5s are in 20? How many 5s are in 20? Work it out. Are you ready to give me an answer? 5, 10, 15, 20. Does that help? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Well done. There are 4 5s in 20. Here we go then. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, last question. How many 10s are in 120? Last big question. How many 10s are in 120? Are you ready to give me an answer? How many 10s in 120? 3, 2, 1. Well done. Shout it out. There are 12 10s in 120. Here we go then. 12 taps of the ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well done, guys. Fantastic work. Okay. We are going to move on to our 8 times tables. Okay. And to call them out first, okay, we're going to do something called a figure of 8 with the ball. So, we need to pick up the ball, okay? And for this figure of 8, you are going to pass the ball in and out and around your legs just like an 8, okay? So hopefully you'll get a good view of my legs doing this, okay? You might not see my full body, but you just need the legs. So I want you to imagine an 8, okay? Draw an 8 with your finger, and then you're just going to draw the shape of the 8 by passing the ball through your legs, okay? How quickly can you do it without dropping it? And as we do that, we are going to count out our 8 times table. Are we ready? Here we go. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96. 12 times 8 equals 96, okay? Let's do that one more time. Again, because we're getting into big numbers, let's do that calling out the sums as well, okay? So, here we go. 1 times 8 is 8. Off we go. 2 times 8 is 16. Make sure you're shouting out the answers. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 8 is 32. 5 times 8 is 40. 6 times 8 is 48. 7 times 8 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. 9 times 8 is 72. Nearly lost me there. 10 times 8 is 80. Shout it out. 11 times 8 is 88. 12 times 8 is 96. Well done. Fantastic work, guys. Well done. So, we are now ready to test on our 8 times tables. Okay, and for this, we're going to go back to Monday when we did speed bounce. So remember, a speed bounce is when we're jumping from side to side. But this time, to give yourself an added challenge, you can put the ball down in the middle, okay, and you can try and jump over the ball, okay, so over the ball. Make sure you've got a nice big space either side, okay. Hopefully I'm not going to crash into my telly. That would be the end of my FIFA days. But standing just to the side, okay, And when we speed bounce, one jump over the ball is 1, okay? That counts as 1, okay? So we go to exactly the same format of questions. How many 8s? Question 1. How many 8s are in 32? Count up in your 8. How many 8s are in 32? How many 8s in 32? Are you ready to give me an answer? Remember, if you're not sure, don't worry, you'll still be able to do the physical activity with us. How many 8s in 32? You ready to give an answer? 3, 2, 1, shout it out. Well done. There are 4 8s in 32. So we're ready to do 4 speed bounces over the ball. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Make sure you keep a gap between yourself and the ball. Don't want any accidents. Next question. How many 8s are in 72? How many 8s are in 72? Have a think if you're not sure. If you know there are 10 8s in 80, because 8 times 10 equals 80. So if there's 10 8s in 80, how many 8s do you think there are in 72? Have a think. Have a think. How many 8s in 72? Are you ready to give me an answer? 3, 2, 1. Well done. There are 9 8s in 72. So we're ready to do 9 speed bounces. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fantastic work. Well done. Let's go to our next question. How many 8s? How many 8s are in 40? How many 8s are in 40? How many 8s are in 40? Now have a think. If there are 10 8s in 80 and 40 is half of 80, maybe if you know what half of 10 is, you'll get the answer to this. How many 8s in 40? Think about what half of 10 is. Are you ready to give me an answer? 3, 2, 1, shout it out. Well done. There are 5 8s in 40. Well done if you said 5. Are you ready to do 5 speed bounces with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure, guys, when we're jumping, we're bending our knees. Okay, we're giving ourselves a soft landing. We're coming down on our toes and then our heel. Well done. Okay, we're going to do 2 more of the 8s. How many 8s? How many 8s? How many 8s in 24? How many 8s in 24? Oh, count them up. Think about it, estimate it. You might be able to work this out by estimating. How many 8s do you think fit into 24? Is it going to be 1, 2, 3, 4? How many is going to be too many? Are you ready to give me an answer? How many 8s in 24? Shout it out. Well done. There are 3 8s in 24. So we're ready to do 3 speed bounces. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, last question of the 8s. Last question of the 8s. How many 8s? How many 8s are in 88? All the 8s. 8, 8, 8. How many 8s in 88? Have a think. If you know there's 10 8s in 80, how many 8s are there going to be in 88? Are you ready to give me an answer? 3, 2, 1. Well done. Shout it out. There are 11 8s in 88. 11. So we are going to do 11 speed bounces. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Fantastic work, guys. Well done. Have a minute, sit down for a second and relax. We are ready to go onto our 9 times table. So we've done our 8s. It's time to move on to our 9s, okay? Now the 9s, okay, some of you will know a really good trick about the 9s is that as the 9s go up in the times tables, okay, the numbers in the digits column, okay, either go up or they go down, okay? Think about it. Let's go through our 9 times table. This is the best trick I ever learnt at school. So 1 times 9 is 9. 2 times 9 is 18. Well done. Now think about that 8. That 8 is 1 less than that 9 we just had. 3 times 9 is 27. Again, think about it. That 7, okay, is 1 less than the 8 in 18. And that 2 of the 27 is 1 more than the 1 in the 18. 4 times 9 is 36. Again, that 3 is 1 more than the 2 we had in the 27. And that 6 in 36 is 1 less than the 7 we had in the 27. 5 times 9 is 45. Okay? So if you spot the pattern, you will know a 9 times table, okay, 9 times table, right up until 10 times 9, 90, the tens column goes up by 1 and the ones column goes down by 1, okay? So use that trick. Now 11 times 9 is 99, and that's not quite the same rule because 10 times 9 is 90, okay? But if you know that trick of the tens column going up by 1 and the ones column going down by 1, that will help you a lot in your 9 times table. And hopefully, even some of you are not sure about the 9 times table, okay? We can use that now as we call out our 9 times table, okay? So, to call out the 9 times table, we are going to pick up our ball again. We're not going to do figure of eights, okay? We are going to do circles around the body, okay? Now with this, all right, a lot of you will be able to do it in one certain direction, okay? But see if you can do it in the other direction as well, okay? Your strongest, okay, will probably be the ball starting in your right hand, okay, and being if you're right-handed, being passed to the left, okay. But see if you can do it the other way as well. See if you can do it both ways. Everyone will have a strongest way. See if you can do it both ways, okay. But we are ready to call out our 9 times 10. Remember that little trick I just taught you about the numbers going up and down in the tens and ones column, okay. Are you ready? Let's call it out together. 1 times 9 is 9. Start moving the ball around. Well done. 2 times 9 is 18. Can you go both directions? 3 times 9 is, think about it, 1 more in the tens, 1 less in the ones, 27. 4 times 9 is, think about it, 36. Well done. Keep adding 1 in the tens, keep taking away 1 in the columns. 5 times 9 is 45. 6 times 9 is, think about it, swap the numbers around, 54. Keep changing directions. 7 times 9 is 63. 8 times 9 is, I think, what are you going to give the answer as? 8 times 9 is 72. 9 times 9 is 81. Keep adding those numbers up. 10 times 9 is 90. Keep shouting out. 11 times 9 is 99. And 12 times 9 is 108. Okay? Well done. Think about those numbers you just said. Think about the little trick I've taught you. Okay? About the 9 times table. Okay? About the tens going up and the ones going down. Let's do that call out one more time, but a little bit quicker. Okay? Here we go. Are you ready to go again? Here we go. 9 times 1 is 9. 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 9 is 27. How quick can you move the ball around? 4 times 9 is 36. 5 times 9 is 45. 6 times 9 is 54. 7 times 9 is 63. 8 times 9 is 72. 9 times 9 is 81. 10 times 9 is 90. 11 times 9 is 99. And 12 times 9 is 108. Okay? Good effort, not bad. Remember that trick, okay? It's really useful, especially when you're writing down all the sums, okay? I told you I could do a little bit of maths, just a little bit. So, I am ready to test you on our 9 times table, okay? And for this, we're going to go back to an old-time favourite of mine. We are going to do some star jumps, okay? And we can use the ball as well, okay? Because what I'd like you to do is hold the ball, if you can, in one hand, okay? And with your star jumps this time, okay, you're going to bring your hands all the way up and clap the top of the ball, okay, when we do our star jumps. I'm going to have to go all the way back here, okay. If your hands are too small, or the ball is too big to do that, okay, what you can do is put the ball between your legs, okay, and your star jumps, okay, when you open your legs, open them over the ball, okay. And when you close them so they're touching the ball. Okay? But either ball in hand, okay, ball in hand star jumps, or ball on the ground, okay. I'm going to do ball in hand star jumps because I can, okay. So are we ready? Here we go. How many nines? How many nines are in 45? How many nines are in 45? Have a think. How many nines in 45? Okay. Are you ready to give me an answer? 3, 2, 1. Shout it out. Well done. There are 5 nines in 45. So here we go. 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, well done. Make sure if you've got it in hand, you're clapping it right at the top. Next question. How many 9s are in 27? How many 9s are in 27? How many 9s in 27? Have a think, okay? Count up those 9s, okay? How many 9s in 27? Are you ready to give me an answer? 3, 2, 1, shout it out. Well done. There are 3 9s in 27, so we're going to do 3 star jumps. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, well done. I'm going to put the ball down in the middle just in case any of you are putting the ball down in the middle as well. Okay, make sure we're jumping over it when we do our star jumps. Okay. How many 9s are in 99? How many 9s are in 99? Have a think. How many 9s in 99? If there are 10 9s in 90, how many 9s in 99? Are you ready to give me an answer? 3, 2, 1. Well done. There are 11 9s in 99. Here we go then. Feet over the ball. If you've got the ball on the ground, if you're holding it, make sure you clap at the top. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Fantastic effort, guys. Well done. We're going to do 2 more questions. How many 9s are in 36? How many 9s in 36? Have a think. How many 9s in 36? Count up in your 9s, okay? How many 9s in 36? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, shout it out. Well done. There are 4 9s in 36. So we're going to do 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, well done. One more question, guys. How many 9s are there in 63? How many 9s are there in 63? Okay, have a think. Have a think. Okay, have a think. Are you sure? Are you ready to give me an answer? Okay, how many 9s are there in 63? 3, 2, 1, shout it out. Well done. There are 7 9s in 63. 7 9s in 63. So we're going to finish with 7 star jumps. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done, guys. Good effort. Okay, that was the 8 and 9 times table. The other trick with the 9 times table, if it's one you struggle with, think about how close it is to the 10 times table. Okay, it's only one number across. So here's another little trick for you kids and also for parents. If you're timesing the 9 times table, okay, think about the 10 times table. Okay, so let's take that last one we just did, 9 times 7. Okay, 9 times 7 is 63. Times 10 by 7, so 10 times 7 is 70. Okay, because we had the 0 on. Take away 7. What do you get? 63. What about 9 times 5? 9 times 5. 9 times 5 is 45. What's 10 times 5? 50. Take away the 5. What do you get? 45. Let's do one more. 9 times 8. 9 times 8 is 72. Okay. 9 times 8 is 72. What's 10 times 8? 80. Take away the 8. 72. So if you struggle with your 9 times table, okay, there's another little trick, okay? So the 2 little tricks of the 9 times table, okay? When you're counting up, it goes 1 up in the tens column, 1 down in the ones column. And when you're timesing, okay, think about the 10 times equation, okay? And then take away the amount you're timesing by, okay? Guys, well done today. Important message about tomorrow. Tomorrow's video will be a little bit later. It will probably come out at 5:45ish, okay? Because I have the pleasure of being in Northgate until late afternoon. So a little bit later in tomorrow's video. It may be pre-recorded. I might decide to do that as well, but I will keep you guys updated. Thank you for watching another Live at 5. We've done our 8s and 9s today, and we've been wearing original Pringles socks. Everyone's got an original fan somewhere, okay? Well done, guys. I will see you at some point in some way tomorrow. Well done.